Hello everyone and welcome to the AI Mindset, where we discuss some of the most thought-provoking topics of our times. Today's topic is one that has been in the news a lot lately and has been the subject of many debates and discussions: artificial intelligence or AI. In this video, we will be exploring the impact of AI on society. AI is a rapidly evolving technology that has been transforming the way we live and work. It has already made significant contributions to various fields such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and manufacturing. AI-powered machines are capable of performing complex tasks with greater speed, accuracy, and efficiency than humans. However, as AI becomes more prevalent in our lives, it also raises concerns about its impact on society. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. With machines taking over many manual and repetitive tasks, there is a fear that AI will render many jobs obsolete, leading to unemployment and economic disruption. AI also poses ethical and social challenges, such as bias and discrimination. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on, and if the data contains biases, the AI system will replicate and amplify them. This could lead to discrimination against certain groups of people, which would have far-reaching consequences for society. Another concern is the impact of AI on privacy and security. With the amount of personal data being collected and analyzed by AI systems, there is a risk of this data being misused or falling into the wrong hands. This could lead to identity theft, cyber attacks, and other security breaches. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI also has the potential to make our lives better in countless ways. For example, it can help us make better decisions, improve healthcare outcomes, and enhance the efficiency of our transportation systems. In conclusion, the impact of AI on society is a complex and multifaceted issue that requires careful consideration. While AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work, it also poses significant challenges and risks that must be addressed. It's up to us to ensure that we harness the power of AI for the greater good while minimizing its negative impact on society. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.